Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the basic functions of brush tool in Photoshop CC, and we will also talk about brush options to manage behavior of the brush in different ways. Now let's open a new file to work on it. Let's go and grab the brush tool from the toolbar. In the option bar it will appear the brush preset picker. Here we can change the brush type, and this menu shows different types of icon, which are actually different types of brushes available. Now click on this small wheel icon where you can get a list of different groups of brushes: general brushes, dry media brushes, wet media brushes, and many other groups of preset brushes. These brushes are inbuilt with Photoshop. Now if you have a set of brushes that you downloaded from the internet, to add those brushes you need to click here, then import brushes, or even you can click on get more brushes. But if you already downloaded brushes from the internet, to get them on Photoshop you click on import brushes, I just downloaded the Love Heart brush. Now it's loaded. If we want to use it, we click on this icon and on this wheel, and now we have all the hearts loaded in the brushes library. Let's talk about editing the brush. I'm choosing a soft edge. I'm choosing a soft edge brush. Here you can see right above the size and the hardness. You can set the size of your brush and hardness that determines the hardness and softness of your brush edges. If I keep hardness to 0, then the brush will paint like it painted with very soft edges. And if I set hardness to 100, it will paint with very sharp and hard edges, and the brush is going to paint whatever the color you have set as your foreground. Now it's red. By clicking on the foreground I can change it to any color I want. I'm selecting the blue color, and now the color of the brush has changed. If I want to change the brush, I can go to and if I want to use the heart-shaped brush, we can go and select the brush we want. I want to change the color of the heart to red, and I want to increase the size. Now I'm having a heart red brush. I can also change the opacity. If I want to paint with the same color with some transparency, we can go to opacity and we can change it from 0 to very transparent, not appearing almost, to 100. If I want to paint the same color with same transparency, then I need to drag down the opacity. And the flow determines how much area the pixels flow to when clicking the brush. One more thing, if we can also apply blend modes to brushes. Let's open a background. With a normal mode, if we select a brush and its color is blue, we paint and it paints blue because blue color is set in the foreground. But now if we want to blend the colors, we go and choose the overlay mode and paint with that same blue brush. We notice that the color painted is not blue. It's the brush blended with the color of the background. And we can also change its opacity from 0 to 100. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe.